sad to say that unfortunately we're not actually walking away with our vehicle right now. But we never planned to walk away with our vehicle today. We just came here to look at some options that we had.
Miles is not happy that we are
not going home with the machine. Most of you guys only see the happy side of Miles, but look, I know what you're thinking. It's tough trying to find the right deal on the right machine. I think we have the right deal on the right machine here. I don't want to say that we have it yet until we've got it in our possession. I know what you guys are thinking. You're gonna scratch your paint up. It's Jeep. It's gonna get scratched up regardless.
Got a little promo deal. We saw we were driving down to go get some food and it said free car wash today. We said free car wash. Okay. Aw, no. It stopped. So we came over and it's Quick Quack Car Wash, which, funny story, gosh, what is it, like probably 12 years ago now?
Yeah.
When Quick Quacks first started coming out, we were like, we need to buy into a Quick Quack and open our own, and we never did, and we should have, man, because these things are everywhere now, and they really are great car washes.
Yeah.
So we got a deal, free car wash today and $10 for the first month. So find you a brand new Quick Quack and go take advantage of a free car wash, because a happy car, or a clean car, is a happy car.
Where Krista gets that from is when I used to sell cars, I would always just detail the crap out of them and clean them always good, and that was like my saying, is a clean car is a happy car.
Which sells.
Exactly. And just like one of the cars we looked at that I was interested in that Miles was sitting in, it was dirty.
Filthy.
I don't want to buy a dirty car.
Presentation is everything, man. You want to sell something, it's gotta look good, because a lot of people can't envision the end result, and you've got to present that end result to them. Miles, show them the duck that they gave you. You want to show them your duck he gave you? Wow! Yeah. How cool is that?
Fun fact, everybody that puts ducks on our Jeep, they just go to him. I just cannot envision staring at multiple ducks on top of my dash.
He's got a lot too. We've got a Maxis duck. We've got a Liberty duck. We've got other ducks back here that have been thrown all over. Oh. We got a beach duck.
Yeah, we got ducks everywhere.
Oh no!
I think we're going to start moving again. In case you guys are wondering, man, why are these guys, they're just showing us their random everyday life? Because I told you guys, we're going to do daily vlogging. Kind of like old school 10 years ago YouTube, when people would just go out and vlog their lives. We want you guys to know us better. We want you guys to understand us. I don't want to just be riding all the time. I want you guys to understand that we're a normal family like most of you guys are. We just do normal stuff like wash our cars.
You want to take your ducks inside? Which duck do you want to take?
Miles has got more and more ducks by the second. But I wanted to talk to you guys about something, because Krista was talking about marketing, and here's my deal, guys. I'm not going to show y'all where we're at. Not yet. You'll probably, if you've been here, then you know the building structure. But why is this place empty all the time? It makes no sense to me. What is going on? Why does Raising Cane's have lines throughout the door, and we somehow come to Zaxby's, who, in my opinion, has better chicken tenders, better chicken period, better sauces, their fries are better. Although that Raising Cane sauce.
That Raising Cane sauce is fire.
Yeah.
It is. You can drink it.
But I just want to understand why this place is always empty. Okay, guys, so what I was getting at is like, yes, I do think the cane sauce is better. We actually were talking to the manager here, and she kind of thought the same thing. But the one thing I can say is I think marketing has something to do with it. Like, I don't know. Like, Cane's gives a really fun vibe when you walk in. It's kind of like a club, you know? And Zaxby.
The disco balls of them.
Yeah. So it's like, Zaxby's, do you need to rebrand yourself? I don't know. I don't know what y'all need to do, but I don't want to see y'all fail in business and not be here anymore. So Zaxby's. Do something so you don't lose your business.
What I got for you, your own little scooter chair, Miles. Can I go get us drinks? Because you're chewing on the styrofoam. We got little teeth marks in there. I'm gonna go ask them for your own cup, okay? No.
I mean, look at this, guys. Delicious chicken fingers, hot honey mustard wings. If you have never had hot honey mustard wings from Zaxby's, it is a must. It's so freaking good. Miles, you trying to get in?
Dad.
You dip in your fry.
Miles' favorite thing in the world to do is to dip his fries in anything and any dip there is.
As long as there's dip.
Honey mustard dip,
Barbecue sauce, ketchup, ranch, sour cream,
fry sauce.
yeah, anything. As long as he's dipping his fries.
If you're not from Utah, guys, there's this thing called fry sauce out here. I think it's ketchup and mayonnaise mixed together, but I'm not for sure. It's kind of like Thousand Island dressing, but it's a crazy thing. I'm not a super huge fan of fry sauce, but some of it's better than others. I think it depends on who makes it too.
Yeah, totally.
What do you think? Yeah.
Was it good? Did you like your chicken? What was your favorite part? The dip.
Right on, let's swing that card.
What do you see there? Zax sauce. Did you like the Zax sauce? Was it yummy in your tummy? Here, if you push this back a little bit, you can see
Just
yourself. There
finishing
you
up
go.
with lunch and we'll swing that card.
Dip. Yummy, yummy. Say, I love dip. I love dip on everything. Yeah, 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 yeah. Wow. Oh no, you're gonna lose your duck you got from Quick Quack Car Wash. You show everybody this new duck you got? Look at this one. See, it's painted. It's got some paint splatter. Wow. Looking like a true Jeep owner, Miles, with all them ducks you got. A dip and a duck? What's a duck say?
Quack, quack, quack.
What's a cow say? What's a dog say? Woof, woof. What about a kitty cat?
Meow.
Meow. Can you show everybody where your nose is?
Doodle.
Oh, Toodles! Where's your nose? Yeah, where's your ear? Where's your ears? No, you don't want to do that right now? Okay, fair enough. Okay, should we go back and maybe put a deposit down on something, possibly? Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, guys, so we are now going back to Karl Malone. We went, we ate, we talked about this deal that we're trying to make happen, and we are going to put a deposit down really quick on it because it's literally the only one they have here, and we want to make sure that we keep this deal locked in so it doesn't get sold between now and Monday, because that could happen. It's happened to us before. So, yeah, we don't want to miss out. Say this is your deal, right? You're the one that's got to put the deposit down on this, bro.
Say this is my hard-earned money.
It's my hard-earned money. We're literally
I've been
taking
selling ducks.
Yeah,
Selling ducks?
Yeah, man,
on their corner moving them ducks, man. Cross state lines, international borders, huh? That's right.
Yeah.
Got the Canadian ducks right now.
Yeah. Do you want to give Carson this money? Here, let me hold
There
your
go my
duck.
ducks, Mom. Come on.
Okay, there's the money. Can you give Carson the money? There
Look
you
at
go.
that. That's how it works, guys. Break your kid's piggy bank open if you want to make a deal happen, because that's what we're doing.
Miles and I are home. Jonathan had to go run an errand up in Idaho real quick, and I just want to show you guys because it is freaking windy today. Like, holy guacamole. But our new slouch couch somehow has managed to stay in its little nook over there, and I can't believe it hasn't blown away. We've got a lot of RVs in the park tonight. A lot of people don't want to drive in this wind, which I don't blame them because it's chaos and it is not easy. Oh no, duck down. Duck duck down, Miles. It's not easy trying to pull a camper or a fifth wheel, getting blown all around. So I guess that's a wrap to this little vlog, you guys. We're gonna get the baby out. I'm gonna get the baby out because it's me and Miles right now. We're gonna go let out Leia. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.